DeLonghi Autentica ETAM 2951X automatic espresso and cappuccino coffee machine. How to clean and descale it. Step 1. Empty and clean a coffee ground container and an empty tray. Empty the drip tray. Put everything back. Next step, clean the pipe. Rotate it like this and clean this for the milk, pipe for the milk. Hole must be clean. Take dump closing and clean this area too. Put everything back. Next step, you can clean here to make the holes clean. Also you can clean this part too for better aesthetics. Next step, disconnect the coffee machine from electricity. Turn it off. We need to clean the main unit. Push these buttons like this and connect. Do you see how much dirt is here? To clean, put it in the box and fill it with water without any chemical elements. Only just plain water. It can be here for 5 minutes. Unit is completely clean now, you see, and we can put it back. Let's put the clean unit back, but first we clean this area. Okay. It's completely clean and put it back like this. To click, yeah, and close the door. Now the machine is ready for the descaling process. Now machine is turned on, but after turn on, we need to turn it off by button A5. This button. Let's make all the needed operation. We need to turn it off by press this button. Now it's in standby mode and we need to push the button B11 and hold it until B7 tumbles start to shine. Hold this button. Do you see? It starts to shine. B7. B12 and B10 start shine too. 1, 2, 3. Now it's in descaling mode. The machine is in descaling mode. Empty the water tank completely to remove the water softened filter. Let's show where is the tank. Put out this water container, and then there can be such filter with such filtering element inside that will use if you have bad quality water. Here we have water from back osmosis filter, and we do not need it at all. Just use clean water. Okay, let's empty it and proceed. We will descale it with help of this solution. It's not DeLonghi solution, but it's quick descaler for coffee machine, electric kettles and washing machines. It's maybe just some type of exit, special exit. You can use citric exit, you can use vinegar, everything like this to descale your machine. Okay, let's put it inside. $100 milliliters will be enough for solution. And then we need to fill the water to max mark, to point B. We put it back to proceed. Turn to position 1. B1, we need to turn to position 1 to start the descaling process. Like this. Descaling is started. We forget to mention that we need big, not less than 1.5 liter container of the solution, cleaning solution. Now it is descaling, but after 25 minutes descaling stops and the icon, this icon start to flash. Yeah. Then we need to turn the hot water steam dial to the 0 position, and the light B5, this one start to flash. We need the button is flash, this one. We need icon is flashes. We need to clean all this hot water with exit. And we need to rinse this one too. Clean it and fill with fresh water. Okay, we clean it after all the exit, and then we fill it with fresh clean water after osmosis. To max mark, B mark. Okay, and also we need to rinse and clean coffee ground container. So we need to clean this. And this. This back. not fill it, but we need to when the cleaning finished with exit, we need to put this to position 0, and then when you put it to position 1, it starts to clean with clean water. The water tank is on position minimum, it's empty, and we need to turn this off to position 0. The water minimum lamp is flashing, and we need to remove water tank now. Yeah, and replace the water softener and water filter if we need it, but we do not need it because we have back osmosis water. So we need to fill tank to max level this way, and everything will be okay. We put the water back. We clean this tool. Need to put it back and to clean it again. It flushes, and we need to make it in position 0. We make it. Now we need to fill the tank to max level and empty this. Put it back. Descaling is complete. Yeah, we did it. Final step was done, and now we can make coffee again. Can we make coffee grit again? After cleaning, we will do the first double espresso. Let's do it. Is it creamy? Yeah, actually very creamy and with good. Look how creamy is it. So classical double espresso with creamy and delicious, like from brand new machine.